In this video, you will learn how to pay tax on Interactive Broker. First, paying taxes on Interactive Broker involves reporting your investment income and capital gains on your tax return. Here is a quick guide. First, access your tax documents. Interactive Broker provides tax documents at the end of the year to help you report your income and capital gains. The key documents you need are your 1099 form. This form details income earned from dividends, interest and any sales. Transaction history. You can download a detailed report of your trades through IBKR activity section. Realised gains and loss report. This summary will summarise your profit and loss from sales and securities. Determine your taxable income. Dividends and interest, capital gains and foreign taxes are all examples of taxable income. Use tax software or a professional. If you're unsure about tax calculations or filings, you can use a tax software that integrates with Interactive Broker to automatically import your tax documents. Alternatively, consult with a tax professional who can assist you with the reporting and ensuring you're complying with tax laws in your jurisdiction. Pay tax. Once your taxable income is calculated, you'll pay tax as part of your regular income tax filings. In the US, this is done by your IRS Form 1040, including Schedule D for capital gains. Check withholdings. Interactive Broker does not typically withhold taxes on your behalf, so it's important to ensure that you're paying them on your own. Depending on your country of residence, you might need an estimated tax payment throughout the year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.